Now, moving on, the Deputy Governor of Ondo State, Aiyedatiwa, has approached the State High Court sitting in Akure to stop the impeachment process initiated by the State House of Assembly against him. In the suit number, suit AK/348/2023, filed on Monday by Mr. Ebun Adenoruwa, the embattled Deputy Governor asked the court to stop the impeachment process against him pending the hearing and determination of the suit that he has filed in court. The State House of Assembly began the process of impeachment of the Deputy Governor last week as it wrote a letter to Aiyedatiwa over an allegation of gross misconduct while he was in office as acting governor. To better understand this, we're joined by political analyst Obatola Jonathan. One welcome to you, Obatola Jonathan, and thanks for joining us at Nigeria 10.
Gbenga.
Now, Mr. Jonathan, it seems this drama between the Ondo State governor and his embattled deputy has taken another twist as an impeachment process has been instigated against the deputy by the State Assembly. Did this come to you as a surprise, and what's the genesis of this rumblings we've been seeing within the political, the seat of power in Akure?
Yeah, these do not come as a surprise anymore because since the governor has taken a vacation of medical leave to Germany to seek medical attention, there has been a lot of speculation concerning loyalty, concerning who replaced the governor come 2024. So there's politics in the land, and the atmosphere, the politics is getting heated up. And we know that there are a lot of people within the cabinet of the governor who are interested in becoming the next governor of the state. So on arrival of the governor, in his message to appreciate the people and the president for their prayers and solidarity while he was away, it is very obvious that the name of the deputy governor was not specifically mentioned. Someone that was holding forth for the governor while the governor was not around. His name was not mentioned in the congratulatory message, appreciation message to the people of Ondo State and also to the president. And the development in the House of Assembly is not far-fetched. And we believed as a people, and because of the kind of power the governor with, that it is absolutely impossible in this climate to start an impeachment process against or initiate a process of this nature against the deputy governor without the input or the awareness of the governor of the state, even with the deniers. But we know that the truth of the matter is that the powers that be resides with the governor. And whenever the governor of any state in Nigeria, activate the mechanism to impeach their deputy, the House of Assembly is at their beck and call. We've seen this happen in various states before now.
Now, Batola, let's talk about the allegations against the Deputy Governor, Mr. Aiyedatiwa. You were in Ondo State while the Governor, Akure, was away in Germany for medical treatment. Have they specified, as the State House of Assembly specified, the nature of this gross misconduct, this allegation against the Deputy Governor? And from your observation, the Deputy Governor, in his conduct while he was acting governor, did he act like he was, over-ambitious, he wanted to take over as governor? Did he do anything untoward, in your opinion, or do you think this is just mere political witch hunt and political machinations happening right now?
Yes, I think this is all political machinations happening right now, because to the people of the state, the deputy governor seems to be a weakling in the sense that he is someone that do not rock the boat with the governor or with senior and ranking members of the cabinet. This is a deputy governor that does not live in the government house. This is a deputy governor that lives in his own private apartment within the state capital to attend to state functions, even since he emerged as the deputy governor of the state. And we know that there is a quarters for him as the deputy governor within the government house. We know those people that live in in that quarter. So for the people of Ondo State, compare to the first deputy governor this governor used in his first time, who is a grassroots politician, someone that has been councillor of a ward, local government chairman, member of the House of Reps, and who now become the deputy governor in the first tenure of Akure. Compared to this person, we know that this person has practically not been elected in any political office before now. And that is why persons in Ondo State believe he is a weakling and is acting the script of the governor. And his loyalty also have been touted to be something beyond loyalty, that this is a very weak man that cannot take decisions, especially when the governor is not around, because of fear, or he is afraid that the decisions might fall within or not within the interest of the governor. So for me, I think this is all politics, and the game, the journey to 2024 has kickstarted in Ondo State. We are concerned about governance. These governors still have about 18 months left to leave the office. But we are concerned with the state of affairs of the state. We are concerned with the infrastructural decay, because nobody is attending to governance now. And this is what we want the governor to do. And since the governor has not been around also, don't forget that the governor has not visited Ondo State since he came back from Germany. He has been in Oyo State. So we are expecting that the governor will come back home, hit the ground running, and continue to go on with his developmental agenda. And the social contract is signed with the people of Ondo State should not just be truncated with all these issues of impeaching the deputy governor.
Okay.
Because we know that this is politics at play and nothing. If you look at the impeachment notice, the allegation of misconduct, it was not served since 20th of September, when the House of Assembly said they got 1/3 of the House of Assembly that rose against the deputy governor. It was just served today. And in that allegation, in that notice of allegation, there's nothing specifically stated as misconduct against the deputy governor. It was just alleged that one of his aides was posting a story against the person of the governor. And I don't know how this.
Okay, interesting development in Ondo State, Obatola, Jonathan. And like you said in your statement, that if the state governor decides to file an impeachment notice against you, then because the state governors mostly have the state House of Assemblies at their beck and call, then you're as good as gone. It'll be interesting to continue to monitor situations in Ondo State and see how this pans out. Thank you very much for your insights and your contribution, Obatola Jonathan, on Nigeria Tonight.
Thank you.